Who's going to help us? It's going to be Marco. Marco, where'd you go? He left. Teresa. Teresa, read for us. Alright, so I have my X values, I have my Y values. Teresa, what should we do first? We need to figure out if this is linear, quadratic, or exponential. What can we do? Count? What did she say? Add? What do you want to add? The X's or Y's? So Teresa, how do you go from 3 to 12? And 12 to 27? And here? And here. Teresa, question. Is that linear? Teresa, is it linear? Yeah. It's not linear because you don't have a first common difference. Jenny, what do we do next? How do you know it's quadratic? And what number is that? 6. So this is our second common difference. She's saying it's quadratic. Raise your hand if you knew it was quadratic. That's correct. Peter, what do we do next?
Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c.
Good job, Peter. He knew we need to find our A, B's, and C's. Peter, based on what we have on our paper so far, what letter do we have? Your choices are A, B, or C. Which one do we have? You want to see what the class votes for? Raise your hand. A, B, C. Okay, Peter. I try to help. Which one? All right, our C value will actually be from up here. Okay? So this one represents either A or B. He says A. Thumbs up, thumbs down. A is correct. This number here represents our A value. Let's write that in. Y equals 6 times x squared plus bx plus... Courtney, how do I get the C value? What color did we highlight C for? So how do I get yellow numbers? If I subtract 6, what number should it be then? This number right here is 3? This number would be 3, right? Okay. So we're saying from this number is 6. So this number to this number we're adding, you're saying 3. So what does that number have to be? Something plus 3 equals 3. Or another way of thinking about it is this number, subtracting 3 gets you that number. 0 is correct. So let's put all those numbers in. I got this x value, you don't really have to worry about in the table of values. You're looking at the y value, so you just put in 0. Uh-oh. I made a mistake. Somewhere on here, what we've done so far is a mistake. Talk to your partner. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Hint, I'm going to call on a student. Could be you. May, what's the mistake? I'm sorry? The A value? What should it be? 3 is correct. Why is it 3? The A value is the common difference in pink here divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. We should have 3 there. Okay, so we need to figure out this B value. Partner B, tell partner A, how do you find a B value? Ready, set, go. Lana, how do I get this B value? Lana, where do I get the x and y from? The table. You are correct. She's saying, look here. X, y. Okay. Lana, it's like choose your adventure. You get to pick one. 1 and 3, she says. Let's use those. All right, Lana, tell us what to write over here. 3 is a y value. Good. X value is 1. Good. And parentheses what? 1. So you actually have to use this X value twice. You guys see that? All right, Lana. Doing a great job. Simplify it. Should I multiply by 3 or power of 2? You are correct. So 1 squared. 1 times 1. 1 times 3. B times 1. Lana, how do you solve for B? And you get B equals 0. Okay, what does this tell us? So that should have been 3. C is 0. B is 0. So do we write zeros in our equation? Instead of writing 3x squared plus 0x plus 0, we are just going to write y equals 3x squared. And that's our answer. Summarize, look at the table. If you're adding, it's going to be linear. If you have a second common difference, it's going to be quadratic. If you're multiplying, it's going to be a exponential. Don't make the mistake I did. Common difference divided by 2 to find your A value. C value comes from the table. And then, just like Lana said, pick one of the ordered pairs to figure out your B value, and then write your equation. And that's how you do question number 6.